Pod manakanya oganda go mag Nubi mabende koro nobire Kenya ka higni 100 mokadho to koro ywak ni siasa nitiere ni sani koro siasa nitiere e namba no mabende ngere dhok machielo kaka kod maende nomigi kod 50 mano chiw kod jatend migawo mar weche maiye mano migosi Fred Matiang'i kinde go. Oganda go sani wacho ni koro kinde sirikal mar barabara bende yande nosemigi kod namba 40 kod adek gino makelo chich ahinya ni koro adieri nitiere kanye e namba go mabende koro no migi kama kaka negiloso.
Has give the Nubian code number 50 for the Kenyan Nubian community. But number 2, the same code he give us, we've been given during the Nusumkati government by Oparanya was in that docket. So one, we are asking, what is the difference of the new one, of the present one, with that one of Oparanya, which give us number 43, and now number 43 is Makonde. Number 2, we are asking Mheshimiwa CS on the reason why he declined to recognize the Pemba. And we all know that the whole of Wasini is in Kenya and Pembas are originally from there. Number 3, we are also highlighting on Huduma number, which is in public participation, which is in parliament right now. Gazetted on Friday, and people are being told to participate in parliament. How many Kenyans will access the parliament? Is it for Nairobi only or for the rest of Kenya? This is what we are asking. Sisi kama jamii ya Wanubi tumeamua na tumemdirect Imran Okoth asimame MP wa Kibera kwa tikiti ya independent. The ground wakati wa Orero ya kuonesha hiyo ilifanyika wakati alipokuwa chama na CDF. Leo Orero kupatiwa kiti kwa njia ya shortcut ndio itasaidia? Haitasaidia. So tumeamua as a community we are dying with Imran.